So I wanted to show people how you can use the Immersive Reader on a page inside your modules in your MyMCPS classrooms. So what I did is I brought up one of my pages and I'm in the student view, just so you can see what the students will see. And you can see this is a page, and up here is the Immersive Reader. So when I click on that, it brings the page up again, and then it's hard to see because this is blocking, but here's the play button. And this is what happens when you hit the play button, or when the student hits the play button.
Practice representing ratios and rates.
So it only reads what you've actually put into the rich text editor. Now, if you have a student who speaks another language, and they want to be able to read and listen in that language, you're going to direct them to go up here to this book, the reading preferences. And right down here, it says choose a language. So let's say I have a French-speaking student. I've been playing around with this a little bit. If I only choose by word, it doesn't actually do the translation. So I also have to flip this one on by document. And you can see that now they can read it in French, and here's what happens when you play it.
Pratique représentant les ratios et les taux. Cette page est verrouillée jusqu'au 8 septembre à 8 heures.
So the students can read and listen in whatever language they need to. And this will not stay for every child. This is just for me. I'm in a student view right now. I wanted to read and write in French, so I was able to set that preference. So as a teacher, you could model this for the students by sharing your screen, choosing the student view in MyMCPS Classroom, and then going through these steps to change languages if need be. And then you can just change it back to English, and I picked United States. I haven't seen what happens if I don't pick United States, but that is all.